Welcome to AMWA, Alternative Mental Wellness Association, a non-profit organization dedicated to promote mental wellness in India. I welcome you all to join AMWA today. Here are few resources which you get free of charge when you join AMWA. First is latest resources. By signing up on our website, you will get access to the newest resources before anybody else. Second, you would find many free programs. We are offering free programs to help you work towards a better you. From meditation to yoga to many kind of therapies, we've got you covered. And the best part is it will not cost you anything. Thirdly, newsletter. Stay up to date with all the latest news and happenings in the mental wellness world. Our newsletter is packed with useful tips and tricks to help you lead a happier and healthier life. When it comes to mental wellness, you deserve the best. That's why we have partnered with top mental wellness specialists to bring you the support you need. With just a few clicks, you will be connected to experts who can help you navigate life's challenges. Free live sessions? Sometimes you just need to talk it out. That's why we are offering free live sessions with mental wellness specialists. It's like having your own personal therapist at your fingertips. And the best part, it's all included when you sign up on our website. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now to gain access to the latest resources, free programs, our newsletter, top mental wellness specialist, and free live sessions. Let's do it together.